Just a clad.
Clad quarter. Oh, it's a helicopter.
It's a Hampton.
Oh, we got competition. Let's go get him. Susan had to go shake the monkey. I got her an 88 over here. She's gonna be surprised. Ooh. I'll let you listen to it. Let her dig it. I got you an 88. Yeah, you've gone to the bathroom 8 times, so I got you an 88. Gotta know what you drank this morning. Super Fireball? Or is it when you get over 50? I mean, I just had my birthday. Ooh!
Right there?
Right there, here. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, it's an 88.
90 on mine.
You want to use the scoop or the shovel?
Try scoop?
Alright, let me grab you. Just stand right there. And I'll grab you the shovel and grab you the scoop. I'll help you pinpoint. Nope. It's right here, right where this tracks went. Okay, hold on. Just pull it. You got it. Just shake. Shake your booties. I mean, shake them. Oh, you got a prize. It's a shiny one? Okay.
It was just dropped.
All right. Yeah, that's a new one. Good. Well, he's moving some sand. He's got the piles over there. I think I'll grab his bulldozer for a few minutes. Think he'll let me? Do you want your shovel back? What? Did you want your shovel back? You don't want it back?
Yeah.
You sure?
Oh my God!
Oh! That looks like a... Oh, it's got rubies!
God. This is mine, right?
Yeah, I don't think so, but I could... I don't know. If I get my scoop back... Oh, that's sweet looking. That looks gold to me, but I don't know. We'll have to take a look at it. That puppy's got rubies. Yep, look, it's a marked. Let me see. Those look like real rubies. It would be marked somewhere on that inside. Manticore.
What did it come up with as sounding?
It was low. Let's put it down. You'll see what you'll get. Hold on. I got, let's see, 9, 10, 14. You will see what you get. Yep, you're getting right in that range. Look, and I was telling these guys yesterday, it's the single digits. Did you see that? Run it over it again.
Yeah.
So you're getting, what are you getting? 11, 12, 18, 15. Yep. So it's right in that gold range. You lucky dog. Put it in your thing.
Put it in.
Don't lose it, yeah.
That one.
There you go. Well, he's putting them on the surf line. When that surf comes up tomorrow, it's going to be near a plus. I think it's like a 0.1. That the water's going to flatten those out. So I'll come out in the first thing in the morning and hit them. Because they're so, we could try them, but they're so dense. Everything's on the bottom probably. There's a guy over there. He's got a Manticore. Let's get going. She's trying. She's trying. I don't know how I ended up with this scoop. Got a 60. the Manticore. Let's try to dig this out. Got it. I'll let you have a listen. I like that override. Oh, it's a spanking new Benny. Everything's spanking new so far. Till we get down to the bathhouse. Oh! What's that? It's got clean over. Canadian Benny. I think that was the last year they made them. They don't make those anymore. 32. 32 is a pull tab. Don't need the shovels really right now. Ah, it's rusty. It's a rusty one. It's been down there. Nope, the Bic don't work.
No, the Bic doesn't work.
You get any gold?
No, I got foiled.
Foiled?
Foiled.
Oh my, you've been foiled multiple times.
Foiled.
Any coins?
Just 2.
Yeah. You got
The 2 from
quarters.
before.
Okay. Yeah, you're doing all right. Keep
And
going.
I got a Corona.
Did you?
Corona cab.
My Corona? Okay. So you turned and went away. Hold on. Still getting it?
Nope, not anymore.
You can use the iron button. To tell if it's iron, just hit this. And if you go over it, if you get an iron tone where it was good, it's got iron in it, so move on.
Like, what's an iron tone?
Well, next time you get one, tell me, and I'll come over and I'll show you. That's why I don't really want you to stray far, because I got to show you these signals. Yeah, that's teeth. I bet you that came up low. Yeah. I got some gold before, but we got teeth down on ancient. You remember?
The bottom 6 is
yep.
what it is.
Yep, that's sweet looking.
Yeah. 18 karat.
It feels it. That's heavy. She got what did we get today? A small gold earring up here.
Oh, in the dirt here?
Yeah. I think it's gold. We don't know. But bring it on out. You want to take a look? There it is. Yeah. It's got stones, I think, on this end. But it looks like little rubies. But it definitely's got the gold color. And it's right where he scraped. I just keep going down, back and forth. Not a lot of coins, but we got a few things.
Maybe they'll dig up some silvers.
Yeah, I bet you that thing rang in low. No? 6? Yeah, 6. Yeah. Yeah, that was low too, but I don't know. It's stuff out here. Yeah. Not a lot. No silver. I didn't get any silver here. It was all on the other end of the bathhouse last year. So, but
I did find some right over where that guy's standing.
Yep.
When they dug last year.
Huh.
Not quite a few actually.
Yep. Well, we'll keep going. There's like a bead or something. Maybe a piece of a link. I don't know. I don't know. It's old. It's in the iron or something. Beaver hasn't got a pull tab. I told her better luck next time. Better luck next time. He's moving your pile. There's a big gold ring down there with your name on it. Got your spoils piles out there. Tide's got to hit it. It's the gold. You want the gold. Get the gold. Get the gold.
I do. Hopefully I'll get it, but I doubt it. Not holding my breath.
If it's there, you'll get it. Your coil's got to go over it. Oh, you want the big gold bar. Wow, look at the sand and the steel well here. Holy macaroni. Yikes.
Right there.
What are you getting? Oh, you're getting a 13.
Yep.
Let me bring it up, and that's gonna go through. Use the shovel, the tip of the shovel. Yep, we'll scoop that right up, bring it up to me, right like that. That's good. Oh yeah, I like that. Ooh, what is it? Ooh, that looks gold. Is it an earring? Ooh, it looks like it's got a stone. Hold on.
No, I don't think there's a stone in there.
You guys find anything?
I got an earring, chain link.
There you go. Earring.
Stuff is gonna probably be shot. Oh, here he comes.
15, 14.
We gotta get out of his way. Let's get out of his way.
In that pile.
You can use the scoop if you want, or just kick it. You can break it up. You got it. Yep, drop it on a flat plane. See that flat plane over here? That's why I walk my piles around. Yeah, right here. Then spread it out, kick it with a coil. There you go, kick it. Oh,
There
right
it
there.
is.
Now, is that a penny or is it a dime? And it looks silver because there's going to be silver coins here.
It's a penny. No,
Duh,
it is a
yeah.
dime.
You're going to have to be careful because there's going to be silver coins mixed
It is
in
a
here on
dime.
this beach. That's a clad one. All right, we'll put that in your pouch. Boy, these things ring out. These zipper pulls, I don't know what it is, they ring out. Oil down. Roger used to say, swing wider. Poor Roger. Let's see. Hold on. Getting an 88. You got an 88? Try the scoop. Pinpoint it, put your finger down, put your coil down on it, yeah. So we're right there. Still there? Money. Big money.
A whopping quarter?
A whopper.
A whopper
A
of
whooper.
a quarter.
No silver?
No, it's not silver. It's just
No.
regular.
The competition's getting smaller. Then again, I got Susan with me, so.
Hey, you gotta be kind.
Lots of people metal detecting. I've never seen so many people detecting. Back in the day, there was maybe 10 of us. And that was it, who were real diehards. I'm young, but I feel old. The Manticore really struggled on it. So it works okay, better on bottle caps, I think, than the Equinox. You got something? You got a coin?
Just a clad. Thought it was a silver.
Let's see.
Just a claddy.
Yeah, it's been down there though. Oh, it's a bicentennial one.
Got it out of that hole right
It's
over
like
there.
the mighty 1976 bicentennial.
That's the hole I got it out of.
Nice. We'll fill that in. They're moving along. Oh my fucking word.
Let me see. Wait a minute, wait a minute.
Oh my god. Look, step back. Hold on. I want to see what it reads. Let me see what it reads on the Manticore. 82. That's very high for gold. Oh no.
It's not gold.
Oh, it might be a tungsten. Oh, it looks so good. Yeah. Damn it. Ah, shit. Yeah, it's a tungsten.
You see?
I think, with a floral design. Yeah, a stone in there. Yep, it's right there. You want to dig it? It's yours. I'll step out of the way. That sucks. I thought I had a gold ring.
Still there.
Yep. Let me pinpoint it for you.
Right there.
I'll tell you right. Yep. It's right there. Dead center under that coil.
Got it.
Okay, shake it. Shake it out. You don't have to dump it. Shake it. Yep. Shake, rattle, and roll. Let me do that for you. Oh, your hand probably hurts. Ooh, I hear something. I hear something in there.
It's a quarter.
A quarter? Okay, now we got a ring and a quarter, so we're on it now. Yeah, not silver though. We got a ring and a quarter out of this spot. We'll hit this for a while. There, it's all fluffy sand we were. I hate that corner over there. I never get anything. Never, never, never. What am I doing? I'm digging it. Sure target. Still in the hole.
Yeah.
Yeah, use the shovel.
No.
Nope, center. No, you missed it.
I got it.
There it is. Dead. Nice quarter. I see it. Alright. Getting some good money.
That's a new quarter.
Yeah, well, some of it's been pushed with the bulldozers. It's up against the wall. They pushed it. That's what it is. A lot about pull tabs on the beach. You're getting down to an old layer. See how that's all together? That's an old pull tab, but it looks new. And that's because he scraped off so much sand. He picked that up. The silver's in here. It's just where they're digging. Here's the wrap-up video.
Got a lot of trash.
I think I cleaned the beach. The state of New Hampshire needs to start sending me checks for all the trash I take off. There's my gold. There's more gold. That's pull tab gold.
Yep.
Thought we had a good lighter, but I don't think it's gonna light now.
No.
Lots of junk pull tabs. These things.
Ugh.
The detector loves them. It just screams. There was more gold. Then my gold. I found this ring, and when I dug it out, it's staring at me like this, and I'm like,
yes.
no. I saw the little inlay, and I said, yep, Junko. It's a junker. Sounded good though, but it was too high. I knew right away 80 something on the scale was too high. I don't know what that is still. That's weird.
It is.
That looks like an old cut coin. But it looks like it got hit by something. See? It's scraped on the back. But boy, that looks like a clipped.
Those tractors were there.
That looks like a clipped coin though, but I don't think it is. I'm gonna take it home and look at it some more maybe. Then the find of the day was this ruby gold earring, but I can't find a mark. Nope, so it may be costume. I know somebody found some gold teeth out there, but I didn't find any. I couldn't find any gold to bite into. I've been kicked in the balls a few times here lately. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Maybe I can make a 14-karat mark appear on this.
Now that's funny.
You got a nice one.
Hey,
Yeah.
I'm $1.60. Oh no, $1.62 richer.
You got a bicentennial quarter. We didn't get any silvers, not yet. That's coming. They're digging. They're going to get down to that far end, so, but it takes a little time. All calades.
Yep.
We got 6 quarters. And then we got this. That's a clasp. I thought possibly gold, but it just doesn't get the feel, you know?
No.
It's like a clasp of something, maybe some costume jewelry or something. I'll put it into a bag. We can always test some of this stuff later. But I would say that's stainless. That's just a
Junky junk.
A clunker junker. So, but it was a fun hunt, wasn't it?
It was.
It wasn't too bad out there today either. The weather's been nice. It was really warm the last few days. So, but we'll go back. We got some hunting to do on that beach. It's just takes a little time to get it cleaned out. So they're cleaning out the stairwells and everything. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.